So I just want to throw together a quick video, show a few things I'm working on in the shop. Square body, 3x3 dually Chevy pickups, and just all the little things it takes to do what you want to. So I have the Dakota digital gauges I'm putting in, cut the factory connector way back there, put all the new wiring in, these weather tight connectors here. And the only thing I have left to hook up is this in the transmission, and then wire that up. And then I have the water temperature sensor to put in and wire that up. The rest of it should be wired and ready to go. So we're going to test it here in just about 2 seconds. So I guess here goes nothing. Well, it looks like everything's hooked up-ish. So, got a few things, figure out why this is the way it is. Obviously oil, because it's not running. 8 volts, not surprising. There we go. So here's my wiring diagram. And what I did in order to get it to make sense to me was I went to a couple of forums and they have the manuals for all the wiring diagrams. I followed that manual. I wrote everything down, what it went to, took pictures of everything, tagged everything, followed through on all that, and then started clipping. That's the best advice I can give you if you're doing these Dakota digital gauges, because the instructions aren't amazing. But if you follow the wiring diagrams that you get on the forums, map everything out, and then on the back of the printed circuit boards on the gauges for the Dakota, they have exactly what wires go to what, and use those weather tight connectors like I got. Here's the box of them. This is what I used right on Amazon. Comes with basically everything you need. That's what I used. And instead of crimping them, I soldered mine. I don't know if it matters, but I prefer solder over crimp just because things rattle loose over time. Didn't want to have to deal with that.